takeout and inner course. First course, second course, inner course.
I'm pretty much the chef of the family, but ever since we had the baby, he's taken over that role.
Yeah, I'm on daddy dinner duty while she does bed and bath and beyond. With the way our schedule is and we're just still adapting to the way, just baby life in general.
We have a grocery list.
Those are pretty big, right? His balls are bigger?
Yeah, his balls are bigger than yours.
So if any seeds fall out, I can discard them.
That is a good idea. I've never done that. Happy Valentine's Day, my dear. I'm glad we pulled it all together.
Oh my god.
Good?
So good. Cheers. Better than any restaurant we could have gone to.
I agree.
Yay! Oh, she likes it.